Alright you guys, what's up? It's Jylesa and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this slick down ponytail look. And yes, I have 4C hair. I have a huge grin on my face because after years of struggling with this, I finally found something that works for me. So continue watching to see how I achieve this look. You guys, so we're going to be starting with freshly washed hair. I use the Tropical Moringa line from The Main Choice, and I'm using their leave-in conditioner. So basically what I'm going to do is I am actually going to be parting my hair with my fingers. I am going to simply clip up the hair that I don't want to touch, and then I'm going to be using a spray bottle that just has water in it, and I am going to be wetting that section. My hair was kind of dry because I ended up getting on the phone and it dried after I shampooed it. I'm going to take that leave-in and I'm going to put it all over the back section of my hair, and I'm just going to make sure to get that through thoroughly. And then I am actually going to go ahead and start the detangling process. Now, I bought this little comb. I should have never bought it because the reality of it is the teeth are too small for my hair. As you guys can see, it starts to hurt. So yeah, that was not a good idea on my part. So I would not advise using this little utensil. So we're gonna go ahead and go to my regular comb, and it's just a wide tooth comb. I still try to use it, you guys, and to be honest with you, my curls are just too tight to use it. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and go in with that Extreme Wet Line Gel line, and I absolutely love this line. It really gives my hair a nice hold. I also use this for my wash and goes, so I'm just going to continue to smooth that gel onto my hair. As you can see, I go through the back, top part. I'm going to take my hard bristle brush and just smooth that even more. The goal is to get your hair as slick as possible, so you really want to smooth it out. I'm going to take this scrunchie and I'm going to go ahead and tie that down. I think this really helps with the hold process, and I'm just going to basically repeat that. You can see the texture of my hair here. It is thick. It's like wool. It's literally like wool. But yeah, so basically what I do is I just do this for the remaining of my hair. So I just wanted to show you guys me slicking down the back of my hair, and as you can see, that gel really smooths my hair out. Now I have moved to the front, and I did that same process that you just saw me do in the back, where I just put the gel on top of my hair, and I'm just taking this brush and I'm making sure that it is smooth, that everything is smooth. That is the trick to getting your hair as slick as possible, is to continue to smooth the gel into your hair. So now we're going to go ahead and skip forward. I did that whole section, and as you can see, I was just smoothing it down with my hands again, and I'm just making sure that it is smooth. I don't care how many times it takes you to take that brush and go through that section. I promise you it will all look so much better if you just take your time and kind of go through your hair and make sure that you're smoothing your hair. Alright? Just smooth your hair, ladies. Smooth it on out. Alright, so I wanted to show you guys this part because as you can see, my hair is actually shorter than the length that I need it to go, but with me doing this process and slicking this gel and smoothing it down and working it into my hair and just smoothing it out, I'm actually able to get the hair flat and blended in. The goal here again is to smooth it down. The wet line gel is amazing for this process. It really slicks down my hair. As you can see, I started to use that other brush as like a comb, because another thing that I've noticed is that if I take like a comb or some type of device to kind of like smooth out my hair, it really gets my hair flat, like flat and slicked. Alright, so just remember that the more you smooth it out, the better it's going to be, so just take your time and do that. All right, you guys, so we are on our final section of hair, and I'm just taking that wet line gel, and again I am smoothing it out with both my hands and my hard bristle brush. And I do this and I make sure that all the hair is going in the same direction. So if it's like a swoop, I make sure that all the hair is going into that swoop. Otherwise, that's how you get like a lot of flyaways and different things like that, or the hair coming up and it's not smooth. So again, you can take a comb and also help out with this as well to make sure that you get it as smooth as possible. All right, and now we're going to go ahead and we're going to work on doing our edges and our final touches. The first final touch is going to be this Gorilla Snot. It's like very tacky and sticky, which is, yeah, as you can see, it's sticky. And I actually like to use it though because it really does, because it's tacky, almost like glue, it holds my hair into place. And so all of those hairs that are not the same length or long enough to go into the ponytail, this really holds them in place. So now it's time to work on our edges, and I kind of like to cut lines into my edges, if that makes sense. I cut the lines, I kind of see where I want the lines to go first and how many swoops I want. Then I go over that with my edge booster, and then I start shaping how I want my swoops to go. So as you can see, I take it, swoop, and then just pull it straight back in a line, swoop again, and then pull it straight back in a line. Then I immediately start smoothing it out, because sometimes when you do your edges, you can pull some hairs out of place. So I just want to go ahead and make sure that I smooth those out as much as possible. Then I'm going to the other side, and there's not much I can really do over here because I made it a swoop. So I'm just making sure that it lays the way that I want. Then I take a scrunchie and I'm just going to make a little knot in the back of my hair with the rest of my hair. Yep, and then we're going to take these extensions, boo. Yes. Now what we're going to do is take bobby pins, and we are going to freaking pin and wrap. Pin and wrap. If you are, you know, used to wearing some type of ponytail, you know, either you can buy the drawstring, but I like to do the pin and wrap method. So pin and wrap. I got this hair from the beauty supply store for like $7. So yeah, pin and wrap, Milky Way, pin and wrap. So my next tip is going to be to definitely tie your hair down with a silk scarf. I bought this one at Walmart for like $4. And I'm just going to tie it down, and I usually tie my hair down overnight, or if I have to get ready to go out, I'll usually actually tie it down for about 15 to 20 minutes just to make sure that my hair has set. So now here is the final look, you guys. I hope this helps you guys with your journey on slicking down your hair, and let's take it back to myself for closing remarks. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this helps you guys achieve all of your slick down looks. I'm telling you guys, I have been struggling with this for about 10 freaking years. Yes, I could never slick my hair down like this before. Now I have a new type of hairstyle in my repertoire. I don't have to just always wear my hair out. My hair length is actually 1 year of hair growth after my big chop last year. So my hair actually, like, even now it's slicked down, but some of it does come out. Like, it's not, my hair is actually not long enough per se. So I'm really happy that I was able to achieve this look. So if this video does help you out, go ahead and sound off in the comments to let me know what you liked, what you disliked, whatever. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel for more videos. All right, thank you so much for watching. Peace.
Wanna